I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to order the PUBG gameplay 1.5 version 90 FPS support test in the POCO X3 Pro device. Yes friends, this is my POCO X3 Pro device which I'm trying to use right now. So let me show you exactly the PUBG version which I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And during this process I'm not trying to use any kind of config tool or any kind of GFX tool. I'm just trying to show you the official PUBG version APK which I did install in plenty of other smartphones. So let's see in this phone whether we'll be able to get any kind of 90 FPS or not. This is a Snapdragon 860 chipset processor, but in the CPU Z application you are seeing about 855 plus. I'm not sure why. Let me try to open the game. And this is a real-time FPS meter which I'm trying to use during this process of demonstration, so which will give you the quick idea so how much FPS the game is actually running at. So that is the reason I thought of using this kind of real-time FPS. And this is my first time opening this game, as I said, so without using any GFX tools and no config, nothing. I just want to show you in front of the camera, friends. So that's the reason I thought of just displaying here. Let me log in with my ID, and here you can see the version as well, 1.5.0, the PUBG version. And this is the real-time FPS meter in case if you want to take a look at Game Turbo FPS meter. And right now you are seeing this kind of 90 FPS. Don't get confused by 90 FPS. That is reason is because I think maybe the PUBG might be supported with the 90 FPS. That is what this means. The top one is the real-time FPS, the top one, and the bottom one is the maximum. What is that application supports? What is the maximum FPS? For example, if you try to open Google Chrome or any other browser, so 120 FPS it will be supported, but the top will be real-time fluctuating. So that is what it means. So right now it's kind of loading. So again I'll be back once the game gets loaded. So right now the game is loading, friends. As I said, this is my first time doing this kind of test in the Snapdragon 860 chipset. So the PUBG did work 90 FPS in the other chipsets as well, which is Snapdragon 855 plus, another process Snapdragon 888, and even the Dimensity process also got upgraded with this kind of 90 FPS update. But let's see. The first quick thing, I just want to look at the settings instead of all this kind of thing. Let me go to settings and graphics and smooth. So here we are getting only smooth and extreme. As you can see, friends, there is no 90 by default. So if you try to use any kind of config tool, other patch files and other files, you can definitely get the 90 FPS. I'll try to upload a video on that particular topic as well on this POCO X3 Pro device. But by default, with the official update from the PUBG and even the BGMI Battlegrounds Mobile, you don't get 90 FPS in this phone right now. So maybe if you use config and other files, you can definitely reach that 90 FPS. I'll try to make another video on that particular topic in case if you're interested. So make sure to know in the description below. So I'll just do the basic gameplay which I used to do before, just only the normal team deathmatch, and that's it. I'll try to end up very soon. So if I used to get the 90 FPS, I could have played continuously. But definitely I'll try to do the config file patch test in other smartphones as well, maybe in the iQOO 7 and other devices. But right now the one phone which got highly benefit from this PUBG update and the Battlegrounds Mobile is only one device which right now I do have, which is a Realme X1 Max. There's only one Dimensity 1200. There's only one phone which got major upgrade. HDR plus Extreme got added, and not only that, 90 FPS is also got added with the major update. That's a really good thing, I would say. But right now you can see the frame drops. It's kind of close to 57, not much. I'll try to keep it somewhere around here so you'll be able to see the real-time FPS, how much I'm getting, is there any kind of lag or not. So 15 and 60 FPS, not bad. So in case if you want me to do any other videos, I can definitely do that. So make sure to comment below in the description. I'll try to do the battery training test, heating test as well, maybe for playing for 1 hour. I'll try to play the continuously for 1 hour, and then I'll try to do the heating test as soon as possible, and I'll let you know how is the battery and is there any kind of draining or not. And so far the heating is, I think, FPS are not dropping much so far. I did not see any kind of dropping during this time. It's kind of 60 FPS maintaining consistently. $60 FPS during this time of testing. So 60 FPS I'm getting this consistently, no problem. So thank you for watching this video, friends. I'll try to be back with another video as well, maybe using the config tool and zip file as soon as config files. I'll try to make another video on that particular topic, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you want me to raise any other gaming like Call of Duty or any other games, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I can do those kind of testings as soon as possible for you all. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.